In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a PNG image color in Figma in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a beginner exploring the world of digital design, this is a handy trick that can enhance your creative projects. So let's dive in. First, go to the Figma website, which is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool. If you already have an account, wonderful. If not, you'll just need to sign up, which I promise is quick and easy. Once you land on the Figma page, the next step is to locate and click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login details and soon you'll be diving into all the creative possibilities Figma offers. Now, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is where all your design magic happens. From here, you'll want to access the design interface, so go ahead and click on the Design tab located on your dashboard. This is usually on the left-hand side and brings up all of your projects and interface tools. With the design interface open, the next step is to click on the PNG image you want to transform. This should highlight the image and bring up the editing tools on the right side of the screen. Figma offers a lot of flexibility, and you'll notice a variety of options to tweak and play with your chosen PNG. Once your image is selected, the key feature you'll need to focus on is called Fill. This is the option that allows you to change or add colors to your image. To find Fill, look to the right of your screen in the Editing Tools panel. You can't miss it. It's here that you'll be able to apply a new color to your PNG with just a simple click. By clicking on Fill, a color editor opens up, offering you a range of options. You can pick from a color wheel, use hex codes, or select colors from your existing palette to match your design needs. Experiment with these colors until you find the perfect hue that fits your project vision. Once satisfied with your color choice, the changes are automatically applied to your PNG image. It's as simple as that. You've successfully changed the color of a PNG image using Figma. This process is not only quick but also super intuitive, which makes it an excellent tool for anyone looking to efficiently manage their design workflow. With these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to change PNG colors in Figma like a pro. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and remember to explore and experiment further with Figma's array of versatile design tools. Happy designing!